one question is it only for, because when I look at a lot of banking clients globally, there is still a lot amount of legacy that resides, right? So the question is BIAN only for cloud natives? I should be on containers, I should be on microservices. Or if a company still has large mainframe applications, that's the kind of legacy that I'm in, will BIAN be still relevant for me, or should I have a prerequisite before I jump into BIAN?
Yeah. Again, I'll start. I think I'll go. I won't even say whether legacy or modern technology. I'll say even if the bank was doing everything on paper, it will still be relevant.
Right.
Because what it says is it's talking about the functions. It doesn't talk about how you're again trying to do it and what technology you use to do it. And tomorrow, if we start using telepathy to do our banking, BIANs will still be relevant for doing that as well. So
Right.
it is. It is agnostic. In fact, the main reason, the first use case which BIAN started looking at was to actually get rid of that legacy. Although having said that, I always say that legacy is never bad. People do say that they have to get off mainframe. Sometimes getting off the mainframe too quickly is also bad for us. And
Sure.
that's exactly what BIAN says, that you don't have to just rip and replace everything. What you have to figure out is what you need, is what you want to do, and then identify how best you can transition to a state where you can optimize it further. So if you take a legacy or co-banking and modernization aspect of it, you take your legacy and say, what in the legacy do I have today? Create into again, as what Nish was talking, those Lego boxes, which we call in buy and service domains. What are provided, what are there existing today in the legacy? Identify the one that you want to move to modern technology, and just scoop that out of your legacy and put it onto your modern cloud. Your legacy will still work along with your modern technology, and it would be a gradual path to moving to a newer modern technology, SaaS platforms, cloud platforms, all of that. So yes, it is relevant irrespective of which technology era that your bank exists. And in fact, most of the banks generally at this stage have all different eras of technology coexisting.
Yep. And it's very true, right? I mean, I think sometimes I could get overwhelmed by that part. I like the part that you said that let's not replace just because it's a cool thing to do, right? People get this whole notion of fear of missing out. Let's pick up a new technology that is pretty cool enough to do that, but it's not.